How to delete TikTok account permanently. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your TikTok account from your device. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are signed into your TikTok account that you would like to delete. Now once done, go ahead and tap on the three bar icon on your top right. And here tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Account, just simply tap on Account. Here you will see an option that says Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. Tap onto it. Then again you will see two options, that is Deactivate and Delete. In case you would like to temporarily deactivate your account, you can go ahead and tap on Deactivate Account. But for today's video, let's go ahead and tap on Delete Account permanently. Once you do so, give any reason that you would like. If not, you can just skip this process by tapping onto this skip icon on your top right. Check this box and tap onto Continue. Before you do so, read all these and tap onto Continue. Now lastly, simply type in the code that has been SMSed to your mobile number, and once done, tap onto Delete. And this is how you will be able to do so. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.